central Wisconsin, western Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:37 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Janesville Airport and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Gary at around 2 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Johnstown Center, Richmond, Galveston, Millard, LaGrange, and Tibbetts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.